The only person in history who has won Nobel Prizes for multiple science fields is a woman. Marie Skłodowska-Curie, popularly known as Marie Curie. She was born as Maria Salomia Skłodowska on 7th November 1867 as the fifth and youngest child of Bronisława and Władysław Skłodowski at Warsaw, Poland, then the part of Russian Empire. Her father was fired by his Russian supervisors for pro-Polish sentiments and forced to take lower-paying posts, and family fell into financial difficulties. Maria's older sibling, Zofia, died of typhus in 1876. Her mother died of tuberculosis in May 1878 when Maria was 10 years old. The deaths of Maria's mother and sister caused her to give up religious belief and become an agnostic. As a brilliant student, Maria won the gold medal upon completing her secondary education in 1883. Because that she was a girl, Maria was rejected the university admission in Russian-dominated Poland. She became a part of young men and women who tried to gain knowledge in secret sessions. In 1891, Maria moved with her sister in Paris. In the same year, she enrolled as university student of physics in Paris. In 1893, she was awarded a degree in physics and began to work in an industrial laboratory of Professor Gabriel Lippmann. In 1894, she visited Pierre Curie at the School of Physics and Chemistry at the University of Paris. In 1895, Maria and Pierre married and presented an extraordinary partnership in scientific research. In 1897, Marie Curie started her pioneering works in radioactivity. In 25th June 1903, Marie Curie defended her doctoral thesis on radioactive substances, becoming the first woman in France to receive a doctoral degree. Marie Curie was awarded a Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903 for pioneering research on radiation, another Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1911 for the discovery of the elements radium and polonium. Marie Curie was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the first person to win 2 Nobel Prizes, and the only one in history to win Nobel Prizes in multiple science fields. The one who was denied university education for the reason that she is a woman later contributed substantially to shaping the modern scientific world. Yet, gender equality in science and academia is a far cry indeed even in modern, liberal, developed, democratic world of high social indices. The situation is disturbing and alarming. Does the scientific community across the world lack scientific temper so as to discriminate against women? Unfortunately, it appears like that. As a responsible community, have we shaped the future aspirations of our young generations in the right way? In a sociological experiment, school students were asked to draw a scientist, and most of them drew a man in lab coat and glasses who does not smile. This shows that even female students have a distorted idea of what a scientist should be and underestimate their own potential to be a future scientist. We believe that gender equality is the foundation stone of any progressive society, and science must ultimately aim at the progress of society in diverse aspects. If scientific community fails to ensure gender equality in their own field, it is equal to science failing to fulfill its own responsibility to the society. So, let us stand for the gender equality in science.